it's kind of ghetto. It's kind of janky, but hey, it's gonna work. So I got a ratchet strap here, a ratchet strap here, one across the top, vice grip, but I got her pretty dang straight. I think as straight as it's gonna get, really. I like it. So I'm gonna weld it, and hopefully it doesn't move. So I'm gonna lay down some welds, and yeah. Okay, so this strap I took loose. The frame was kind of drifting down this way a little bit, so I had to bring it back up. So I stuck a jack underneath here. Again, some more hillbilly riggery, whatever you want to call it. I'm a redneck and proud of it. So this board here, I just stuck this on the frame and stuck this little jack up underneath here in this block of wood, and got her all straightened up here, at least on this side for the moment. The other side looks pretty good, but I'm going to go ahead and tack this into place, and then I'll get the other side. She's a little smoky there. Get! Go on and get! Get off of there. All right, everybody. So I got the frame together, cleaned up pretty well. I still got a little bit to kind of smooth things out here. Everything came out really straight. I am really happy with it. With that being said, the frame's 8 inches longer now, so the engine being mounted here is just gonna look stupid. It's gonna look stupid. It's all gonna be all up in here. You're gonna have all this empty space, room for activities. So anyway, this is gonna get moved back here. Actually, this whole piece, the foot pegs here, that bar, the engine plate, this is all coming out. I'm gonna get a new engine plate welded in. I'm gonna get some new foot pegs. Heck, I might even get a new kickstand, just because we're going this far. Why not go all the way? Yeah, so that's it for this video. I know it wasn't that exciting, but hey, we're making progress. Guys, please like the video, share it, subscribe to my channel, please. It's always been something I want to do, is grow this channel. I've been slacking at it. Now is the time. I'm gonna work at it. I'm gonna work hard, and hopefully I can keep making videos and people will keep watching my videos. Anyway, I'm rambling. Hit the bell notification, and see you next time.